Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming codec compatibility and updating firmware. This reduces latency and improves fidelity. Pair while devices are close, and make sure batteries are above 50% so power-related artifacts don't appear. Once paired, switch the transmitter to the highest supported codec, because higher bitrate codecs preserve more detail. Also, disable other nearby Bluetooth sources to cut interference. These first steps immediately remove common bottlenecks and set the stage for better sound quality. Now you optimize the signal path. Connect via optical or USB when possible, because digital outputs bypass lossy analog stages. If you must use 3.5 mm, choose a shielded cable and a low-noise adapter. Cheap parts add hiss. Once connected, set source and transmitter gain so peaks do not clip, and then raise receiver volume. This preserves dynamic range. Make sure to test with music that has quiet and loud passages, so you can fine-tune gain for the cleanest result. Finish by refining placement and settings. Move the transmitter antenna away from metal and keep a clear path to the receiver to reduce dropouts. Next, use EQ sparingly to correct tonal imbalances and choose lower latency only if sync matters more than absolute quality. Once done, test across tracks and volumes. If you still have issues, reset the transmitter and repair. This clears corrupted profiles and often resolves stubborn glitches. Do that before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.